So in regards to NetSuite, as I was mentioning, it's a very flexible system. So you can change the layout of the forms as you like. All the reports that you see are customizable. And you can add as many custom fields on the form as you like. You know, there is, and that's something you can do it as an end user. You don't need a consultant to come in and do it for you. So in the sales order, let me go to the fulfillment. Yes, so there was a question about the performance here. So I am running it on a sandbox or a demo instance here that tend to be a little slower than the production instance. So I have my items that are ready to be fulfilled, and I can come in and see which location I'm fulfilling these from. And I can save this. Now, you would also notice that there is a link to the sales order that created this fulfillment. There's other ways to get to it as well. There is recent records, so I can, if I want to, I can go back to the sales order directly from here. On this, there's few things that, before I come back to fulfillment, because it goes in the sequence, so I want to make sure they are mentioned. On this, we also have an option to create a spec package. This is done through our integration with what we call SteelCod. SteelCod provides the bundling of all the specs and installation and other details, and it helps you create a one single package that can be shared with the end user. Okay, so SteelCod allows us to create these spec sheets along with any installation details that are available, and you can create that PDF and make it available to the end user. Or if you have contracted out to installation third party, you can share these with them. We also have scheduling service for delivery. This is done through our integration with Package AI. So you can pick and choose which items are available for delivery or delivery plus installation. And once you click on book, it goes and communicates with the Package AI interface, and then it takes over and allows you to select the different time slots where you can set which time slot is best suited for the client, and go and do and schedule that visit for them. Okay. Now, all this information, by the way, is then also available down here on the sales order under Package AI tab and also the SteelCod tabs. So you can always come back here and reschedule, or if you want to look at that SteelCod package that was generated, you can come in and click on the spec package URL, and then it becomes available to you. The fulfillment record that was generated, I can come in and I can save this, and that'll mark this as shipped. In NetSuite, you do have an option to go through a full pick, pack, and ship process, or just pack and ship, or just marking it as shipped, which I'm doing it right now, and that will complete it. Okay. Actually, I need to change the date here. But that pretty much sums up your order entry to item fulfillment and getting the items out of the door.